These guys come here to get a red Suburban. And like my mother always says, be careful who you meet on the internet, because now I gotta move furniture.
Moving company.
Okay, quick, close the door, we'll lock them in here and see how they sweat.
This is the table we're taking down.
Sold.
This is for another tenant of ours.
You thought you're coming here to get a truck, huh?
Yeah, we're moving.
Yeah, it's moving day.
Are we moving in?
No, you're just moving furniture, slave labor, cheap labor. Chevy! Alright, you move the furniture. Let's crank this baby up! 5 second crank. I don't know why. Yeah. Well, they're timed longer because of that new computer that Buddy made. Crank her up! 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. It seems like back road life. All right, guys. See ya.
Thanks a lot.
Next stop, Long Island. All right. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, exploring it already. Yeah, kids. All right, we'll see him around the block. Oh, I hear something rumbling. Maybe it's the fire next door. What a dump. My driveway all full of debris. You think the landlord next door would come over and say, hey, I'm really sorry. I'll clean up all the crap. Clean up all the crap in your yard, like the air conditioner? No way, Jose. Roasted and toasted. Best thing that could ever happen, as long as nobody was hurt. And there could have been injuries. Oh, this street is busy since we had this friggin' slum. Yeah. Away they go. Alright, it's too busy here to have any fun. Suburban. Don't crunch anybody before you leave. There they go, off to have a meal. We gotta sweep up our driveway from all the glass. What a mess. Shards of glass and debris, and the neighbor doesn't even care, because that's who he is. Mr. I don't care. Yep. Air conditioner in our yard. Nice day.